look at that sunrise behind us. The sun's just coming up right now, and you can't see many boats out there. I can see one or two in the distance over that side. Yeah, so today is the second day of autumn. Summer is officially over, and yeah, it is a bit chilly in the mornings. But the forecast for today is it's not that windy. We're gonna have a few good hours early in the morning, and then it's gonna get a bit windier later on. So we are in the shallows at the moment, soft bedding the shallows in 10 to 12 meters of water, trying to get the morning bite. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god, it's got me. It's got me into the... I can feel it. Yep, it's coming up. I can feel the rocks. Oh, that is out. Ooh. Got me into the ground again. I can feel the rocks. Yep, it's out. Yep, it's coming up. I just hope I don't have a nick in my line. We are in 10 meters of water and it's really full ground. I can't put too much. Yep, I can see color, and it is a really nice snapper. Yes, it is. It is a beautiful fish. It is a big dog. Yeah, it is a big dog. Come here, I want to let you go. Wow, look at the size of this fish. Wow, it barely fits into the net. Oh my god, this is big. Ooh, look at the size of this fish. Whoa, that's an easy 20-pounder. That is a huge fish. That is a huge fish. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go, but I'm gonna take a photo first. Promise me you'll behave. Oh, that is really heavy. Oh. Look at the size of this fish. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright. Come on, swim away. No. Come on, swim away. Swim away. Yep, he's gone. That's awesome. Perfect release.